In this video, we're going to be flying to Phoenix for a couple of trading events. We're going to be doing a happy hour and we're going to be doing a coffee and trade. We're currently heading to the Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas.
Get the kids.
I say goodbye to the family, doing a solo travel event this time. About to jump on the plane and getting off the plane, going through the Phoenix airport. It's a really nice airport. About to jump into the Uber and head to a city called Goodyear in the Phoenix area. It's a very, very new city. It has a significant amount of new construction, and we're heading to our hotel. Hotel we stayed at is a new hotel. The hotel adjacent to it is also new. We're staying at the Spring Hill Suites by Marriott. I got there a little early in the morning. The time zone changed from Central Standard Time to Pacific Standard Time, so I couldn't get into the room yet. So I'm just working in the lobby area here, following the markets. I just got the keys to the room, and so I'm heading to the room. I'm going to show you around the room a little bit. It's a very nice room, especially since I'm only going to be sleeping and working in the room a little bit here while I'm in Phoenix. So it's nothing fancy, but it's a really nice room. It's Thursday, and I'm about to have a little FaceTime with my daughter.
Oh, very nice. Guess what? I got your first letter for Thursday. You see? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Thank you and mommy.
So my daughter gave me a letter every day that I was there that she wanted me to read, and this is the first one for Thursday. So now I'm taking a nap before I go get something to eat while the markets are still open. This is the restaurant I decided to check out. After a great meal, I'm jumping back in the Uber, going back to the hotel. It's now Friday, and I'm reading the letter from my daughter and about to get ready for the Friday morning trading floor, which is an event we have every Friday for Dorian Way members. So I'll give you a little clip into that.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this morning for this Friday morning trading floor. The markets have just opened, and it looks like we have a market that's recovering a little bit from yesterday. It's off its highs, but it's basically flat, which is a good thing if we are primary option sellers, and that's what we are. So very nice to this point. I want to point out a few things regarding the markets. We have a lot to cover this morning, but unfortunately we have a hard stop in 2 hours. So we're going to cover a lot. We're going to cover these markets. We're going to talk about some trading. We're going to do some trades. We're going to talk to Jim regarding how he's adjusting his zero DTE trades. And we're going to get some trades, hopefully, or at least one trade from Ernie this morning, and then hopefully some trades from some of you this morning. And if you guys was able to hear that, that was us ringing the register on that SPX trade that we did. It was a 2 DTE trade. We made a small adjustment yesterday for a credit, actually added a couple contracts, went from 15 to 20 points wide. We just got 80% of the trade, which is great. So we'll take that. And we got out of the ES1 DTE trade that we put in Discord yesterday. So I'm going to throw this in Discord.
After the trading floor, I'm now in the Uber again, heading for lunch. The markets are still open. I'm going to be working from BJ's here. now I'm taking a quick nap again, trying to energize for the traders happy hour that we're having in the lobby area of the hotel. I am just getting ready for it here, and we have drinks and food for members, and this is just a little clip from it here.
O'Brien, what he has is you have a method, and if you have a method, a strategy that takes you from A to Z, your brain then goes calmer, because the market's always uncertain. There's no certainty. There's no one knows what's going to happen next. All you can do, and that's what he does, is he sets a probabilistic scenario where he puts the probabilities in his favor. That's a beautiful thing. And he creates a scenario by selling option premium where it's almost like, and I say this in a positive way, he's trying to create a scenario where he's the casino. Right? And the odds are in his favor. So there's more, you can be calmer. You know, when you put on trades where you're just, the delta's matching the stock, right? It's just, you know, but when you have that option, when you have the option spread, as he talks about, there's more flexibility. You can put the odds in your favor. So that's what I think is what I have found. And I think that's what he brings to the table, is the fact that you can have that.
Because what I want to do is have like my savings, then my trading, and then I'll still have other monies coming in for like day to day.
We really enjoyed ourselves at the Traders Happy Hour. It's now Saturday morning, about to get ready for the coffee and trade event that the Phoenix Ambassador is picking me up, and we're about to go get set up in a Panera Bread and have a informal type of talk. So the talk has started, and I'm kind of giving a presentation, and the ambassador's son is setting up a whiteboard for me so I can explain a little bit more in detail about trading options. I'm going to give you a small little clip of that presentation.
Let's say we have two people. We have person A who has $10,000, right? And we have person B who also has 10K, right? And person A wants to buy company ABC, and they want to buy 100 shares of that company that's trading at $100. Right? So if you buy 100 shares of a company that's trading at $100, it's going to cost you $10,000. Right? And you have to buy that at the going price, okay? It's because that's what the market is at that point. It's trading at 100. Person B also wants to own 100 shares of company ABC, but they want to sell the put first. Right? This is the conservative concept I'm telling you, I'm talking about, that everyone can learn how to do and everyone should be doing if they're going to be buying stock. Because why buy the stock at market price when you can always get it for a discount? So in this case, person B decides that they're going to sell the put at the 90 strike, right? So it's trading at $100. They sell it at the 90 strike. That's 10% down. They would have to drop 10%. But someone's going to pay them some monies to sell that 90. Right? So for easy math, let's say someone pays them $100 for that, right? For that 90 strike. Well, they're instantaneously up 1% at that point.
After the presentation, it's now time to go tour the Phoenix area. We're heading to a city called Scottsdale. It's the upscale area of Phoenix. If you go to Phoenix, you want to go to Scottsdale. It was a phenomenal city. It's a lot of energy, had a lot of fun. There's a lot of people out there on the streets, and things were just bustling. We're now driving into a Scottsdale kind of shopping area, and we're going to have dinner at this restaurant called Noble, and it's a sushi spot that was just phenomenal. This is us walking into Noble, and you'll be able to see here in a second the kind of atmosphere of the restaurant. It's going to only get better throughout the night. This was a spot that people wanted to go and be seen at. It was really a lot of energy in the restaurant. Just showing you around the restaurant a little bit. This is the Orange family. You got Shelby, Sharon, and Sheldon. Good looking family. Enjoyed my time with them. They really showed me a awesome time in Phoenix. This Scottsdale area, once again, was just phenomenal. Food was just outstanding, and the atmosphere was just so much energy. It was electric. You can see it starting to get a little bit more packed in the restaurant, and then as it got later in the day, it was just packed. The lights, the setting was really nice. We really enjoyed ourselves. And then the Oranges decided to show me a little bit more of Phoenix. You can see that Scottsdale has all these lights up. There's a bunch of people on the streets. We decided we were going to go get some dessert at a different spot. So I'm going to show you around Scottsdale a little bit. So this is the dessert spot. This was a really family-based spot. It had a kid area and just some great desserts. I'm looking forward to bringing my family back to this spot. So now I'm going to show you more of the Scottsdale area, some of the nightlife. It was bustling out there. It was a lot of people on the streets. It was a lot of bars and bar restaurants and clubs. It was just a bunch of people out. Scottsdale is really nice. You do not want to go to Phoenix without checking out Scottsdale. It's now Sunday morning. I'm reading the last letter from my daughter. About to get into the Uber and head to the airport. It's super early. I love to get on early flights, as I indicated earlier. And so now in the Uber, and we're heading to the Phoenix airport. The Phoenix airport, as I stated earlier as well, it's really nice. If you are interested in learning options, we encourage you to join the Dorian Way, and we hope to see you in a different city. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.